Now it's time for you to learn your first song. We're going to learn Amazing Grace. In this piece, you want to look carefully at the page itself. So watch the video first and then see if you need to zoom in on the page to really follow along. You'll notice that it has some black keys listed with some numbers. Those are your finger numbers. So what we're going to do is take your right hand, we're going to put your thumb on this black key, then finger 2, finger 3, finger 4 won't play, it's just hanging there, and finger 5 on this one. And your left hand will be on these two black keys, finger 2 here and finger 3 here. You want to notice that the words are written with numbers below and numbers above. The numbers below are for the left hand and the numbers above are for the right hand. So place your fingers there and you'll notice the first number you see is below the words. So it's going to be your left hand, finger 3. The next number is above the words, so it's your right hand thumb. Now just follow the numbers. 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now we go to the left hand. 2, 3. Still left hand. 3. Back to right hand. 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 5. Next page, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1. Left hand, 3, 2, 1, 2. Left, left, right, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. You can try that in different ways. You can try it by saying the finger numbers out loud. If it feels right to you, you can sing it, or you can play it without saying anything out loud. Usually the more you can engage, the easier it will be for you. So watch the video and follow along. And then you want to make sure your eyes are following along exactly on the page. And keeping track here with your eyes on the page, your fingers can just feel where the keys are. So you don't really have to look down and look back up to see what you're supposed to play. Okay, enjoy your first song.